I'm Cindy Drozda, sometime wood turner. Lately, in the interest of having a healthy diet, I seem to spend more time in the kitchen than I do in the workshop. So when Catherine Kowalski gave me a big bowl of kholrabi, I decided it was time to interrupt my baluster project and come on over to the lathe to peel them. So let's have some fun. Kholrabi is a tasty vegetable, but it has this really hard outer skin on it that needs to be peeled off. I think that's a job best done between centers. I'm going to find the center of the vegetable using a plywood disc with a screw in the middle to make a hole on center. And mount it up on the lathe here. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm thinking the tool of choice for vegetable turning is a bowl gouge. We'll start it off slow and build the RPM gradually as we see what this vegetable can handle. So I believe I will start with a bevel rubbing cut. I'd like to say this was a peeling cut, but the truth is it's more of a push cut. Whoa, that was great! A whole lot better than spending time in the kitchen. I think my technique needs a little bit of work, though. I've got a bit of tear out here at the top, so let's try another one. The newest of kitchen gadgets, the wood lathe. Good solid mounting is important. I've put the very hard, woody root end of the kholrabi at the headstock, where the drive center is, for security. I'd say peeling cut takes on a whole new meaning here. Ah, yes. Fantastic job. Ready to chop it up and put it in the stew pot. Turning vegetables is a great way to practice my spindle turning techniques. These little ones can pretty well just eyeball the center, and they go pretty fast. Oh, a little bit of a void in this one. Next time you need to peel some kohlrabis, head for the workshop. Please be sure to visit my website, cindydrozda.com, for more information about my signature wood-turning tools and instructional wood-turning DVDs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.